Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Regression classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 5, chapter number 18, correlation and regression. Previously, one question number 42, assigned to you to do it by yourself. So, here I will solve this question. So see here, question number 42. If the coefficient of correlation between two variables is 0.7, R is 0.7, when the percentage of variation unaccounted for is unaccounted, so it means 1 minus R square. Okay, in terms of percentage, so multiply with 100. So 1 minus R square means 1 minus 0.7 square into 100. So it is 1 minus 0.49 into 100. So it is 0.51 into 100. So it means 51 percentage. So option C is the right answer of question number 42. Okay? Do you understand this? Yes. Okay. So let's move to the second exercise. Set B. Answer the following questions by writing the correct answers. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 1. If for two variables x and y, the covariance variance of x and variance of y are 40 and 16. So here given variance of x and variance of y, h square x, h square y, and 256 respectively. Covariance. Okay, so first is covariance. Covariance COV is 40, h square x and h square y. What is the value of the correlation coefficient? So here covariance of xy is given is equal to 40. Okay. Variance of x is given. And of x, h square x is equal to 16. Variance of y, h square y is given 256. Okay. So find out the correlation coefficient. So we have to find out the R. So formula of R is covariance of xy upon sx into sy. So here s square x is given. So we can find out from this sx is equal to under root of 16 is equal to 4. So same way from s square y we can find out sy is equal to under root of 256 is equal to 16. Okay. So put the value sx and sy into this. Covariance xy is given 40, sx is given 4 into sy is given 16. 4 tens are 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So it is 5 by 8. But we require in the decimal number. So 80, 8 6 are 48, 50 minus 48 2, 8 2s are 16, 40, 8 5s are 40. So it is 0.625. So option B is the right answer. 0.625. Value of correlation coefficient is 0.625. In the when you solve the question, first see which data is given. Okay, so here covariance of xy is given, variance of x is given, variance of y is given. Write down first all the given data, then write the which coefficient or which value we have to find out. Okay, then write down the formula and put the value, and then in the last you will get the answer after solving these. Okay, so question number 2, if covariance xy is equal to 15, what restriction should be put for the standard deviations of x and y? A. No restriction. Option B. The product of the standard deviation should be more than 15. Option C. The product of the standard deviation should be less than 15. The sum of the standard deviation should be less than 15. So here first write down the covariance xy is equal to 15 given. Now write the formula R is equal to covariance xy upon sx into sy. Okay, the one condition is that minus 1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. So here I write r is equal to 15 upon sx into sy. Here r less than or equal to 1 if 15 upon sx into sy less than or equal to 1. So the product of standard deviation 15 less than or equal to sx into sy should be more than 50. The product of standard deviation sx into sy greater than or equal to 15 should be more than 15. So option B is the right answer. Here greater equal to sign, so should be more than 15. So option B is the right answer of question number 2. Now question number 3. If the covariance between two variables is 20, covariance is given. So covariance xy 20 is equal to 20. The variance of one of the variable is 16. You can write sx is equal to 16. What would be the variance of the other variable? So here variance of one variable, so s square x, okay. So sx is equal to 4. And what would be the variance of the other variable? sy square. You have to find out. So put the formula R is equal to covariance xy upon sx into sy. Okay. 20 upon Sx into Sy. So 20 upon Sx value is 4 into Sy. 4 5s are 20. So minus 1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. Here r less than or equal to 1, 5 upon Sy less than or equal to 1. So 5 less than or equal to Sy. So Sy greater than equal to 5. So variance Sy S square y both sides square 5 square is 25. So the variance, what would be the variance of the other variable? Option A is more than 100. Not possible. Option B more than 10. Not possible. More than 10 is right. But here we require more than 25. So I think here printing mistake, more than 1.25 is. It is more than 25, I think. Okay, so option D is the answer. Okay. Option D is the answer. Question number 4. If y is equal to a plus bx, then what is the coefficient of correlation between x and y? First, if y is equal to a plus bx, then what is the coefficient of correlation between x and y? So here, consider y is equal to 3 minus 4x, or it is y is equal to 3 plus 4x. Okay. If we put x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to 3 minus 4 to 8 minus 5. Put the x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus 4 into 3. 3 minus 12 minus 9. Okay. Here also put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now put x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 plus 4 3s are 12. 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Okay. Correlation coefficient lies between minus 1 to 1. R lies between minus 1 less than or equal to r less than equal to 1. Okay. So here b less than 0 or b greater than 0. So 1 or minus 1, option C, 1 or minus 1 according as b greater than 0 or b less than 0. Option C is the right answer. Question number 5. If r is equal to 0.6, then the coefficient of non-determination is. So, r is equal to 0.6 is given. Now, coefficient of non-determination is equal to 1 minus r square. 1 minus 0.6 square. So it is 1 minus 0.36 is equal to 0.64. So here option D is the right answer, 0.64. So question number 6. If u plus 5x is equal to 6 and 3y minus 7v is equal to 20 and the correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.58, then what would be the correlation coefficient between u and v? So here we have to find out the coefficient of correlation between u and v. So first write down the two equation. So here u plus 5x is equal to 6. 3y minus 7v is equal to 20. Correlation coefficient between x and y is equal to 0.58 is equal to r. Okay. So here rxy is equal to bd upon mod b mod d ruv. Okay. Here u is equal to minus 5x plus 6. So you can write minus 5 common, x minus 6 upon 5. So it is x minus 6 upon 5 upon minus 1 upon 5. Okay. That is B. Okay. For V, here 7V plus 20. Sorry, 3. V is equal to minus 3y minus 20. You can write 3y minus 20 upon 7. So 3 by 7 common, y minus 20 by 3. So you can write y minus 20 by 3 upon 7 by 3. That is the D. Okay. Put the value B and D into this formula. So B and D, B is minus 1 by 5, D is 7 by 3, RUV upon mod B mod D. So it becomes positive 1 by 5, 7 by 3. So, and here RXY is 0.58. That is cancel. So, RUV is equal to minus sign here minus 0.58. So, coefficient of correlation coefficient between U and V is minus 0.58. minus 0.58. So option B is the right answer. Okay. Now question number 7. If the relation between x and u is 3x plus 4u plus 7 is equal to 0, and the correlation coefficient between x and y is minus 0.6 are given, rxy, then what is the correlation coefficient between u and y? Okay, so first write down 3x plus 4u plus 7 is equal to 0. So 4u is equal to minus 7 minus 3x. U is equal to minus 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4 x is equal to RUX. It is negative. Okay, because negative sign. Here RXY is given minus 0.6. RXY is given. Here relation of U with X is negative. Same way, relation of X with Y is negative. It means negative sign is there. Okay. So ultimately RUY becomes also negative. Negative or positive? So here RUY is the product of minus into minus. So it becomes positive. Okay. So RUY is equal to plus 0.6. RUY is equal to plus 0.6. So option C 0.6 is the right answer. Okay. Question number 8. From the following data, x 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, y 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, two coefficient of correlation was found to be 0.93. What is the correlation between u and v as given by u minus 3 minus 2 0 minus 1 2, v minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 0 and 2. So here x is 2, 3, 5, 4, 7. U is minus 3, minus 2, 0, minus 1 and 2. If generalized equation we have to find out. So U is equal to what we will put in x plus, yeah, x minus, then we will get the minus 3. So here x 2 minus 5 minus 3, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 5 minus 1, 7 minus 5 2. So here we write the as u is equal to x minus 5. Okay. Same way for y and v. Y is 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. V is minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 2. So there is a difference is 8. Okay. So 4 minus 8 minus 4, 6 minus 8 minus 2, 7 minus 8 minus 1, 8 minus 8 0, 10 minus 8 2. Okay. So V is equal to y minus 8. So here coefficient of x is positive. Same way coefficient of y is also positive. Okay. So RUV is equal to, it becomes also positive. So RUV is 0.93. Okay. RXY is equal to 0.93. So RUV becomes, because RUX and RVY both are positive. So RUV becomes 0.93 positive. So option B is the right answer. Now question number 9. Referring to the data presented in question number 8, what would be the correlation between U and V? So here we have to find out the correlation. So U is equal to 10. First write down the x value. X value is 23547. 23547. U value is 10, 15, 25, 20 and 35. Here which value multiplied with x and it becomes the value of u. So 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 27, 5s are 35. So u is equal to 5x. Okay. So for the v, y here write down the 4 6 7 8 10. 4 6 7 8 10. V is minus 24, 6 minus 36, minus 42, minus 48 and minus 60. So easily you can write V is equal to 4 6 minus 6. So minus 6y. Okay. So here the sign is positive. Here sign is negative. So positive, negative, negative. So here correlation between u and v, RUV is equal to minus 0.93. So option C, minus 0.93. Okay. So that type of questions are very easy. Okay. So easily you can solve. Okay. Question number, my mistake that repeated. So question number 10. If the sum of squares of difference of ranks given by two judges A and B of 8 students in 21, what is the value of rank correlation coefficient? Total student number of student is n is equal to 8 students in 21. So sigma d square is given 21. So here rank correlation coefficient RR is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. That is the formula. Now put the value of n and sigma d square. 1 minus 6 into 21 upon n, 8. 8 square minus 1. 2 3s are 2 4s are 8. 1 minus 63 upon 4 into 8 square. 64 minus 1, 63. 63 cancel. 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is 0.75. So option C is the right answer, 0.75. Now question number 11. If the rank correlation coefficient between marks in management and mathematics for a group of students in 0.6 and the sum of square of the difference in ranks in 66, what is the number of students in the group? So here RR is given 0.6. Sigma d square is equal to 66 when n is equal to how much? Okay. So take the same formula. RR is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square n into n square minus 1. 1 minus 6, 66, n. We have to find out na, n into n square minus 1. So RR is 0.6. So take this into positive side, left side, so it becomes positive. 6 into 66 upon n into n square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 0.6. So So 6 into 66 n into n square minus 1 is equal to 0.4. So n into n square minus 1 is equal to 6 into 66 upon 4 into 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 233, 990. N into n square minus 1 is equal to 990. So n into n square minus 1 is equal to 99 into 10. So 100 minus 1 into 10. 10 square minus 1 into 10. So n square minus 1 compare with n. N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. So option A is the right answer. N is equal to 10. Question number 12. While computing rank correlation coefficient between profit and investment for the last 6 years of company, the difference in rank for a year was taken 3 instead of 4. What is the rectified rank correlation coefficient if it is known that the original value of rank correlation coefficient was 0.4? So here n is equal to 6. RR is equal to 0.4. When taken 3 instead of 4. Okay. So RR is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square n into n square minus 1. Now put the value RR 0.4 is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square n is 6 into 6 square minus 1. 1 minus 6, 6 cancel. Sigma d square by 35. Here 0.4 is 4 by 10. So sigma d square by 35 is equal to 1 minus 4 by 10. 10 minus 4 by 10 into 35. Sigma d square is equal to 6 into 35 by 10. 6 5 is 30, 6 3 is 18 plus 3, 210 by 10. 0 0 cut. So sigma d square becomes is equal to 21. Okay. So new sigma d square is equal to 21 minus, instead of 3 we taken 3 instead of 4. So minus 3 square plus 4 square. 21 minus 9 plus 16. 37 minus 9 is equal to 28. So new RR becomes 1 minus 6 sigma d square n into n square minus 1. So 1 minus 6, 28, n remains as it is. 6 into 6, 6 square minus 1, 6 6 cancel. 1 minus 28, 35. So 7 4s are 28, 7 5 is 1 minus 4 by 5. 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 1 by 5 is equal to 0.2. So RR is equal to 0.2. So option B is the right answer, 0.2. Now question number 13. For 10 pairs of observations, number of concurrent deviations was found to be 4. What is the value of the coefficient of concurrent deviation? Here RR is equal to plus or minus under root plus or minus 2c minus m by m. Pair of observations is equal to 10. The pair of deviations is equal to m. So m is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Number of concurrent deviation C is equal to 4. So here RC, not RR, it is RC. So RC is equal to plus or minus under root plus or minus 2 into 4 minus 9 by 9 is equal to plus or minus 4 to the 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 9. So it becomes minus minus plus, plus or minus under root 1 by 9. So minus 1 by 9 is equal to minus here 1 by 9 minus, so 1 by 9 under root of 1 upon 3 square, it becomes minus 1 by 3. So option D, minus 1 by 3, is the right answer. Now question number 14. The coefficient of concurrent deviation for p pairs of observations was found to be 1 by root 3. If the number of concurrent deviation was found to be 6, then the value of p is. So here RC is equal to 1 by root 3. Pairs of observations is equal to p. Then pairs of deviations m is equal to p minus 1. So formula is RC is equal to plus or minus under root plus or minus 2c minus m upon m. Here c is equal to 6. So RC 1 upon under root 3 is equal to under root 2c minus m upon m. Take square both sides. So 1 upon root 3 square is equal to 2c minus m upon m. So 1 upon root 3 square becomes 1 by 3 is equal to 2c minus m by m. So m is equal to, here put, or c is equal to 6. So 2 into 6 minus m by m, 1 by 3. 6 to the 12 minus m by m, 1 by 3. Now put m is equal to p minus 1. So 1 by 3 is equal to 12 minus p minus 1, p minus 1. 12 minus p plus 1 upon p minus 1, 1 by 3. So p minus 1 is equal to 3 into 13 minus p. 39 minus 3p, p minus 1. So p plus 3p is equal to 39 plus 1. So 4p is equal to 40. So p is equal to 40 by 4 is equal to 10. So p is equal to 10. So option A is the right answer. P is equal to 10. Okay. Now move to the question number 15. What is the value of correlation coefficient due to person on the basis of the following data? X minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. Y is 27 18 11 6 3 2 3 6 11 18 27. Okay. So the R is equal to covariance of x comma y sx into sy. So here you can write covariance of xy is sum of x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n, or is equal to sum of xy minus x bar y bar sum of, here you can write as x into y minus x y bar minus x bar y plus x bar y bar upon n. So it is sigma xy by n minus x by n sum of y bar by n minus here you can directly write. You can directly write as sum of xy by n minus x bar into y bar. Okay, so here directly put sum of xy by n minus, instead of x bar write sum of x by n, and instead of y bar write sum of y by n, is equal to sum of xy by n minus sum of x into sum of y upon n square. So here you can multiply with n in sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y upon n square. Okay, so it becomes covariance of xy. If covariance of x comma y is equal to 0, then r is equal to 0. So covariance of xy is equal to n into 0 minus 0 sigma y upon n square is equal to 0 minus 0 by n square is equal to 0. So what is the value of correlation coefficient due to Pearson on the basis of the following data? So it becomes 0. R is equal to 0, option C. Here we have put sum of xy is equal to 0 from the table. Okay. So answer is r is equal to 0. Next question, question number 16. Following are the two normal equations obtained for deriving the regression line of y and x. 5a plus 10b is equal to 40, 10a plus 25b is equal to 95. 5a plus 10b is equal to 40, 10a plus 25b is equal to 95. The regression line of y on x is given by, so here y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so here multiply with first equation to 2. So 2 5s are 10a plus 20b 80. 10a plus 25b is equal to 95. So minus 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 plus 10 minus 10 cancel. 20 minus 25 minus 5b is equal to minus 15. So b is equal to 15 by 5 is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3. Now put into the equation 1 5a plus 10b into 3 is equal to 40. So 5a is equal to 40 minus 30. So 5a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Now y is equal to a plus bx. Put the value a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3 into this. 2 plus 3x. So compare with the option y is equal to 2 plus 3x. So option C is the right answer of question number 16. Now question number 17. If the regression line of y on x and x on y are given by 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 1 and 5x plus 6y is equal to minus 1, then the arithmetic mean of x and y are given by y on x is equal to, equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 1. X on y equation is 5x plus 6y is equal to minus 1. Now the arithmetic mean, so instead of x write 2x bar plus 3 arithmetic x arithmetic y is equal to minus 1. Start with the option A. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, option A. So put into this for equation 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. It becomes 2 ones are 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So y we will get the minus 1. After putting this x and y, we will get the, here the arrow is here. Okay, so x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Put into this equation, we will get the minus 1. Okay, so option A is the right answer. Okay, if you want to check for the other options, you can. So B, 2x bar plus 3y bar is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Y is equal to 1. 2. Minus 1 plus 3, 1. Minus 2 plus 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Not equal to minus 1. So option B is not the answer. C. Minus 1 minus 1. So it is 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5, not equal to minus 1. C is not the answer. And for D, 2 3, 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 plus 9 is equal to 13, not equal to minus 1. D is not the option. So only option A is the right answer. Okay. 1 minus 1. Question number 18. Given the regression equation as 3x plus y is equal to 13. 3x plus y is equal to 13. And 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. Which one is the regression equation of y on x? So here let us, which one is the regression equation of y on x? Consider let us assume that 3x plus y is equal to 13 represents the regression line of x on y. So here 3x plus y is equal to 13. 3x is equal to minus y plus 13. So x is equal to minus y by 3 plus 13 by 3. So here bxy is equal to minus 1 by 3. Same way for 2x plus 5y is equal to 20 y on x. So 5y is equal to 20 minus 2x. So y is equal to 20 by 5 minus 2 by 5 x. So b yx, it becomes minus 2 by 5. Okay. So here r square is equal to bxy and byx. bxy is minus 1 by 3 into byx is minus 2 by 5. Minus minus plus 2 3 by 3 5s are 15. So it becomes 15 0. 15 1s are 15. 3s are 0.133 something. Okay. So here r square less than or equal to 1. So mod r less than or equal to 1. So condition satisfy. So equation of y on x is 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. 2x plus 5y is equal to 20. So option B is the right answer, second equation. Okay. If you want to check for both, because here one option is there, both A and B, so we have to check for also 3x plus y as second 3x plus y is equal to 13. 3x plus y is equal to 13. Take y on x. So y is equal to minus 3x plus 13. So byx, it becomes minus 3. So for the second equation, 2x is equal to minus 5y plus 20 x on y. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2y plus 20 by 2. So bxy becomes minus 5 by 2. Now r square is equal to bxy into byx. Bxy minus 3 minus 5 by 2. 3 5s are 15 by 2 to 7.5. So not satisfying the condition, r square less than or equal to 1. Not satisfying. Okay. So y on x, 3x plus y is equal to 13. Y on x is not true. So only one option is there, B, second equation. Okay. So option B is the right answer. Now question number 19. Given the following equations, 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 15. Which one is the regression equation of x on y? Same way, take 2x minus 3y is equal to 10. X on y. So 2x is equal to 3y plus 10. X is equal to 3 by 2y plus 10 by 2. So bxy is equal to 3 by 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 15. Y on x. So 4y is equal to 15 minus 3x. Y is equal to minus 3 by 4x plus 15 by 4. So byx is equal to minus 3 by 4. R square is equal to bxy into byx. 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 4. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. Minus 9 by 8. R square. So here r square, negative value of r square, negative value of r square minus 9 by 8 is not possible, because square of any value is positive. Okay. So we cannot conclude that. Okay. So here again take 2x minus 3y is equal to 10, y on x. So minus 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 10. Y is equal to minus 2 minus 3x plus 10 minus 3. 2 by 3x minus 10 by 3. So byx is equal to 2 by 3. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 15. So take x on y. So 3x is equal to 15 minus 4y. X is equal to 15 by 3 minus 4y by 3. Minus 4y by 3 plus 15 by 3. Bxy is equal to minus 4 by 3. So here r square is equal to bxy into byx minus 4 by 3 into 2 by 3 minus 8 by 9. Again r square is minus negative. R square is negative. So value of r square is not negative. So none of these equation is the regression equation of x on y. So none of this. Option D. Both the equation does not satisfy the condition. Okay. So question number 19 answer is option D. Now question number 20. U is equal to 2x plus 5. V is equal to minus 3y minus 6. Y on x. Byx is equal to 2.4. What is the regression coefficient? BUV is equal to how much? So U is equal to 2 common x plus 5 by 2. So U is equal to x plus 5 by 2, 1 by 2. Here coefficient of x is 1. For V is equal to minus 3y by 6 minus 3 y plus 6 by 3. So minus 3 y plus 2, 3 2s are 6. So y plus 2 minus 1 by 3. Here coefficient of y is 1. Okay. Byx is equal to minus 1 by 3 by 1 by 2 b v u. So it is minus 2 by 3 b v u. Byx is given 2.4. So b v u is equal to 2.4 into 3 minus sine divided by 2 to 1.2. 1.2 into 3 is minus 3.6. So BVU is equal to minus 3.6. Here we required what is the regression coefficient of V on U. So here we have to find out BVU. So it is minus 3.6. Option B is the right answer. Now question number 21. If 4y minus 5x is equal to 15. If the regression line of y on x and the coefficient of correlation between x and y is 0.75. What is the value of the regression coefficient of x on y? So 4y minus 5x is equal to 15. 4y is equal to 5x plus 15. Y is equal to 5 by 4x plus 15 by 4. Byx is equal to 5 by 4. Here r is equal to 0.75. So it is 75 by 100 25 3s are 25 4s is equal to 3 by 4. So r square is equal to bxy into byx. Put the value r square 3 by 4 square bxy we have to find out into byx 5 by 4. bxy is equal to 9 by 16 into 4 by 5. 4 4s are 16 is equal to 9 by 20. So bxy is equal to 9 by 20 into 5 by 5. 25 is a 100, 9 5 is a 45. So you can easily write bxy is equal to 0.45. So here option A is the right answer, 0.45. Next, question number 22. If the regression line of y on x and that of x on y are given by y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 and 8x is equal to minus y plus 3 respectively, what is the coefficient of correlation between x and y? Here y on x, y is equal to minus 2x plus 3, y is equal to minus 2, x minus 3 by 2. So here you can write x minus 3 by 2 by minus 1 by 2. byx is equal to minus 2. Now x on y, 8x is equal to minus y plus 3. X is equal to minus y by 8 plus 3 by 8. So bxy is equal to minus 1 by 8. R square is equal to byx into bxy. Minus byx is minus 2 into bxy minus 1 by 8. 2 4s are 1 by 4. So r is equal to under root of 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. But here byx has negative sign, bxy has also negative sign, so r becomes minus 0.5. Okay, so r value of r is minus 0.5. So now question number, move to the question number 23. If the regression coefficient of y on x, the coefficient of correlation between x and y and variance of y are minus 3 by 4, root 3 by 2 and 4 respectively, what is the variance of x? Here byx given minus 3 by 4, r is given root 3 by 2, s square y given 4 variance. So sy is equal to 2. byx is equal to r sy by sx. So minus 3 by 4 r is root 3 by 2 into sy is 2 by sx. 2 to cancel, root 3, 1 root 3 is here. So sx is equal to minus 4 upon root 3. So h square x is equal to minus 4 by root 3 square, 16 by 3. So option B, 16 by 3, is the right answer. Okay. Now question number 24. If y is equal to 3x plus 4, here I have taken, okay, 16 by 3. Y is equal to 3x plus 4 is the regression line of y on x, and the arithmetic mean of x is minus 1. What is the arithmetic mean of y? It is very easy. Consider y is equal to 3x plus 4 is given. Then consider arithmetic mean means y bar is equal to 3x bar plus 4. Here arithmetic mean of x is minus 1. X bar is equal to minus 1. Put into this 3 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4. Y bar arithmetic y is equal to plus 1. Option A is the right answer. Okay. So this lecture is over here and this chapter is over here. Okay. So see you soon. Bye bye.